Number one, Malaj, there should be no protest without an application to hold the protest, and the route to, they just hold the protest without informing anybody.
In our last order, we have clarified that when we said that you will not take any action against peaceful protesters,
Yes.
we had equally said that.
One second. Once.
Respect of any protest which.
Well, see what is happening.
And protest
Allowed-
will not be, any protest will not be at the cost of their duties.
Yes. This is not clarified. This was not clarified, Malaj. This is not the doctors. These are not the doctors, Malaj. Malaj,
All right, let him say what he has to say. We got your point.
this,
Nobody has protested beyond duty time.
As later was sent to the protesters, are we going by the police, wherein that sort for certain information. But in that letter, it was categorically all the necessary information was served upon the police with regard to rally that they mark that is going to be.
no.
Everywhere. All statements have been made by them.
Malaj, which court are we in, Malaj?
Unleash their force. No regulatory.
Malaj, this.
Kolkata police, not the West Bengal police, they did nothing on the part of the regulatory.
All right,
And it's beyond duty.
one last word and then we are going to rise for lunch. We want to ensure that the doctors resume work.
Only one thing, Malak, they
Doctors are in the system to render service to the patients. We will provide every kind of measure of security to the doctors, but they have to reciprocate. We have said that no adverse action shall be taken.
Yes, please.
My lords, if they are also protesting and joining work,
Come and discuss.
We have CCTV footage. Malaj,
When we said that no, one second, we said that, why don't you hear what we said? We said that no adverse action shall be taken against the doctors. Mr. Sibal, please ensure that those of the doctors who resume work, please don't take any action.
Malaj, it's our duty. It's our duty, Malaj. It's our duty. This gentleman who is before your lordships, I have got videos, photographs, he's throwing stones.
Lordship, there has been
This gentleman.
Lordship, a threat culture has been established. In
Mr. Sibal, Leonard Senior Counsel, states that no action, including punitive transfers, shall be adopted against the doctors who return to work in terms of the directions and stipulations.
Lordship, the peaceful protesters also, right?
and IA.
Malaj, kindly see.
Because the individual who was found to throw stones.
Yeah.
This sort of submissions come from.
What?
1 second. Are you trying to address the gallery outside the court?
That's what he's doing.
1 second. Can we just, I've been noticing your demeanor for the last 2 hours. Can you first lower your pitch?
I'm sorry.
Please lower, 1 second. Listen to the Chief Justice. Don't raise your voice. Lower your pitch.
My lord,
Second, you are addressing 3 judges in front of you, not the large audience which is watching this proceedings on the video conferencing platform. 2, Mr. Sibal's statement, we can't start recording every police officer's statement here, right? Mr. Sibal is representing the state of West Bengal. We have recorded that there will be no adverse action, including punitive transfer. You said transfers. We have said, therefore, no punitive transfer shall be resorted to.
Lordship,
Right? Therefore, there's
Lordship,
no
one
point
thing.
in raising the
No, but
Lordship, the peaceful
The
protesters
last thing is
Who had
the application
participated
we
in-
have filed. Well, there's an application for
participated
directions
in
that I have
reclaiming
filed,
the
Malaj,
night.
which has some really serious things that your lordships have to deal with. Well, the kind of things that are in this application and the statements made in this application will destroy the credibility of institutions in this country if this is allowed to. Malaj, kindly just give me.
The state was
Allow
quite
me, Malaj.
silent.
One
Malaj.
second, please.
State
Mr.
was quite
Solicitor, I
silent
never
when your lordships
interrupted
were
you. Allow me to
examining the
say
offence.
something.
Now the state has
Mr.
become
Solicitor,
aggressive.
allow me to say something, please. Doing this all the time, interrupting whenever we. Malaj, kindly come to an extra 44, page 73. Allow me. Please allow me.
Saying that
Malaj, this is not fair, Malaj.
as authorities of the state of West Bengal,
Malaj-
they have said that a person had died within
Malaj-
continuous and profuse bleeding.
Allah-
But that was a statement made on social media by one of the.
Malaj, kindly see 73.
on duty, are they not on?
No.
My lords, My lords, if I may clarify, there are two
Can I-
sets of doctors.
Can I address your lordship
One second.
one
Yes.
by one?
Order. Do we record the assurance of all the council appearing on behalf of the doctors that you are on duty and you're not abstaining from work?
They are on
We are
duty,
not
they are
on
not,
duty.
and they will say why. We are on duty.
One second.
Can I
Ms.
address your
Salita,
lordship?
Yes, what is your statement?
So our statement is that the West Bengal Calcutta doctors, junior doctors are not on duty. There are 1737 hospitals and nursing homes in West Bengal, in which 1500 are fully on duty. Senior doctors, even in the balance, 200 odd are also on duty, but the junior doctors are not on duty because
Across the state of West Bengal?
no, Calcutta, only Calcutta. So the figures are for the whole of West Bengal, but the ones who are not on duty are in Calcutta and its periphery. They are not on duty because they are still getting threats. People are being told, we know your father's in government service. We know what you will face.
No
I have
complaint has
given.
been filed, they say anything.
1 minute. I have filed an application. I have given in sealed cover the name of some of the miscreants in KG Court, RG Court. And I have given a detail of at least 5 or 10 hospitals
Putra, we
and
will
college.
direct that if the doctors resume work immediately, no adverse action shall be taken against them presently because of the fact that we are seized with the matter.
My lord, can I
But equally now, if they do not resume work as doctors, then we can't restrain the state government from taking disciplinary action. That's entirely within their jurisdiction.
My lord, first the action has to be from miscreants who are actually threatening them day in and day out. I have given examples of complaints by Burdwan Hospital, Midnapur Hospital, Medical College, Kolkata. I didn't want to burden your lordship, so I gave 4 examples in Calcutta itself, where there are threats to the doctors from within and without, just because. So we had, obviously, my lord, all they are asking, we should have separate rooms, separate toilets. I'll tell your
What
lordship.
are the threats about?
The threats are they are just bullying, beating. 1 minute, because several of these persons supported the RG Corps protests. So many of them are being victimized. There's a group which is being headed by a medical forum. I don't want to name it. I don't want to make it any political. I'm only saying apolitically that it cannot be that just because these students, and they are doing volunteer duty just outside the hospital in camps. They are working in various health clinics, and I can show the photographs.
Might as well go back to your work
No,
in the
because
hospital.
there we are receiving. So what I'm saying, we need a room for females to rest at night because 36-hour duty. We need a room for males separately. We need toilets for them. We need CCTVs. We need senior women, CISF people near us so that we are not threatened. I have no difficulty. If I can work inside, I can work inside, but I have to have
not
a
working.
safe environment. And I have given a sealed cover. Sorry.
Ms. Luthra, just give us
Sorry.
30 seconds.
Sorry, my lord.